Good morning, my pupils, 10th graders. I'm your teacher, Sahar Awdallah from Manarat Al Amal International Academy. Good morning. Today I'm going to talk about language practice, punctuation, direct speech, page 44. Open your pupils book, page 44. Let's begin from the beginning of the lesson. Language practice. In previous classes, we have learned about commas, colon, semicolon, and when we can use these punctuation marks. Now we are going to talk about direct speech. First, direct speech اللي هو الكلام المباشر. You know what's the meaning of direct speech. We use speech marks to show the actual words that are spoken. نستخدم علامات الترقيم، علامات التنصيص speech marks, yes, to show the actual words الكلمات الأصلية اللي انحكت أو اللي انقرأت. okay. speech marks اللي هم إحنا نستخدمهم بهذه الطريقة. اوكي، قوسين صغار. اوكي، خليني اعمل لكم اياها بطباعة. اوكي، اخذهم هيك. at the beginning of the actual words and at the end of the actual words. Let's see this example. If you can call it summer, Christy laughed. Look here, we add speech mark here and another speech mark here. Notice here that we add the exclamation mark inside or between the speech marks. داخل أي علامة ترقيم نضيفها داخل the speech marks, inside the speech marks، داخل علامات الترقيم and at the end of the spoken words. Okay, notice here لاحظي the elements of the direct speech or the actual words that are spoken. شوفي في عنا عدة عناصر. أول شيء we have the punctuation marks اللي هي ال speech marks and the exclamation mark. The words between the speech marks we call it direct speech or the spoken word. الكلمات داخل الأقواس بنسميها direct speech، الكلام المباشر or the spoken words. Okay, also we have the speaker. Okay, the speaker, Christy. Here's who's the speaker is Christy. Also we have the reporting word. This is the reporting word. Again, this is the reporting word. This is the speaker or the person who report نقل الكلام. Okay, and we have the speech marks يعني exclamation mark and the direct speech speech mark. هاي exclamation and the speech marks. هاي اللي هون and this one. The words between the speech marks we call it spoken words or the direct speech. Okay? طيب. We have the first step or the first idea. If the reporting words come or if the reporting word comes at the beginning, we have to write comma and then speech mark and the spoken words. إذا جاءت reporting word said at the beginning, the speaker, and the reporting word comes at the beginning, we have to add comma. Look here is a comma and then we wrote the spoken words. Okay, this is the idea number 1. رقميها عندك. هايها هين the first idea اللي هي to add the comma if the reporting word said or wondered or asked. We have more than one reporting word مثل said, asked, wondered. هذول بنسميهم reporting word. إذا إجوا بالأول we have to add comma to separate the reporting word from the spoken word. Let's see the second idea. The second idea number 2 اللي هي any punctuation at the end of the spoken words comes before the speech marks. أي علامة ترقيم موجودة بعد after the spoken words we have to add it inside the speech marks. يعني ما بنحطها خارج علامات التنصيص أو علامات التنصيص، لا بنحطهم داخلهم. Let's see this example. The reality is a bit different, though, exclamation mark, and then the speech mark from the beginning of the spoken word and at the end of the spoken word. Let's see here the exclamation mark. We wrote the exclamation mark inside the speech marks, not outside of the speech mark. Okay, this is the idea. Now let's answer these exercises all together. I worked last summer in Bombay, he said. يلا حطي لي علامات ترقيم. Add exclamation, speech mark, punctuation marks wherever you want. Okay, notice here about the first idea. الفكرة الأولى. I worked last summer in Bombay. He said. There is no comma here, okay? But sentence number 2, she said, comma, speech marks from at the beginning and at the end of the spoken words. Notice here that there is a full stop inside the speech mark. Okay, let's answer exercise number 2. يلا add speech, direct speech, punctuate the 1, 2, 3 sentences. Punctuate them using the punctuation marks. Okay, yeah. Did you ever feel like giving up? We have question mark. We add the question mark inside the speech mark. Here is the spoken word. هدول الكلمات اللي did you ever feel like giving up؟ مين اللي حكاها؟ he asked. مين اللي سأل؟ he. ضمير عنا he. ضفنا ال question mark inside the speech mark, not outside of them. This is a really exciting find, she exclaimed. There is an this is an exclamation mark. We add the exclamation mark inside the speech mark. The speech marks, yeah. Number 3, I travel a lot on this job. I add here full stop inside the speech marks. Okay, answer them in your pupils book. ضيفي الإجابات، أو إذا بدك على الدفتر بس بدك بقلم حبر يعني رأس ورفيع إذا بدك إياهم على الكتاب. Okay, the idea number 3. فكرة رقم 3. If there is 2 sentences، إذا عندنا 2 sentences, the speaker says 2 sentences, we use 2 sets of speech marks. نستخدم مجموعتين من علامات التنصيص and put a full stop after the reporting words. مثال: You can learn a lot about people by looking at their rubbish, comma. ليه في عنا there is another sentence حطينا كوما. Okay, there is another sentence the speaker says. Then she said. هو بده إذا حكى لك إنه في جملتين I can add at both sides from the left and the side before the reporting word and after the reporting word. If I put a sentence before the reporting word قبل reporting word بضيف كوما inside the speech marks. And the second one الجملة الثانية I add at the end of it I add a comma full stop at the end of the second sentence. Okay, again, if we have 2 sentences, before I can add one before the reporting word and the second after the reporting word. The first one I add at the end of it comma, and at the end of the second sentence full stop. Okay, this is the third idea. Okay, please answer exercise number 3. حاولي جاوبي السؤال الثالث. Exercise number 3 لحالك, and I will send the answers. Okay, that's all about our language practice, our lesson. I will see your answers by WhatsApp. Okay, thanks a lot. See you.